afraid of the ball when it goes to my headshot.
Yes, that's right. Let's see.
That's amazing.
Let's put it on, huh?
Okay, next.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, what do you got there?
Can I wear it to school?
Of course.
Yeah.
Is it a bit big though?
Yeah,
I don't
he doesn't
care.
care.
Put it on.
I don't have any shirt under.
Let's see how it looks.
Oh, it's West 49 too.
Hey, how do you like this, eh?
Yeah, I like that.
Professional. This kind of stuff, you don't throw this helmet around though, eh?
I know.
All right.
Oh yeah, sweet.
Shite.
I think he knows what it is.
Oh, big color blocker. Why is the blocker so small?
Huh? That's just the gloves, huh? Now, did you need a blocker too? Hey, that's a nice big glove, that's all.
You better tear open that big baby there.
Yeah.
Hey, you got a blocker.
Yeah.
Dad, wanna play? No. And the chest pad. You can play in the basement, Dad. Oh.
Are those big boys or what?
Oh yeah.
Bentley.
Look at how thick they are, son.
Where's the puppy dog?
Right here.
Where's the little puppy dog?
Hey. No.
Bentley. 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 Come here. Come here, puppy.
That's your left leg, I think, Reese.
Come here.